Hello, how's it going? Took me a little while to get going here. I was having some technical difficulty. How does it? Does it sound okay? Look okay? Who do we have here? Mr. Brian 123 and Katie. How are you getting on, Katie? And then we have another Katie, Katie Louise as well, Katie Jackson and Katie Louise, Catherine Bryant as well, and Sarah Lockyer, and Marie as well. Evening. So we're on YouTube and we're on Twitch here tonight. And let me have a look here. This one is a Sarah Eichhoff over there on Twitch. Carly Ann over there as well. How are you getting on? I couldn't show Twitch. Yeah. Those of you who are new to Twitch, you might enjoy it. Have an old look around there. There's some fantastic musicians playing some fantastic stuff here on Twitch, you know. So it's really interesting. So I'm going to jump on here. I don't know how long I'm going to get on for, but I'm going to jump on for a little bit and see how we get on. I'm going to see how long the computer lasts on it because it's making lots of noise and I don't know. So how's everyone's Sunday going? What goes on a Sunday, wherever you are? Oh my Lord, Jesus. Hi Christina. And Christina. We've got two different Christinas, one with a K and one with a C. How's this? There's that Erica. Oh, yeah, what's the crack? Erica. Getting stuff ready for work tomorrow. I better tune up anyway. Sonny, you're welcome to the stream. I was here last Sunday and Monday, so this might be a short stream again tonight, and then I can see if I can pick it up again then tomorrow. I didn't really fart around with the sound there too much, so you can let me know what it sounds like when I get going here. So, Sláinte lads, any requests are throw them in there, and if I know the song I can do it for you. But if not, then I'll motor on with whatever I think about there. Watching rugby with two Welsh lads today was a poor choice. Really, have you had a few tipples there? You have. Jack May Connolly, how are you getting on? Nice one. You're going to do Sunny Don't Go Away. I'll try Sunny Don't Go Away. I'll warm up to that one there. I heard Josh doing it there the other night and reminded me of it. It was I took a few singing lessons back when I was let's see, I don't know what year it was. Could have been 2004 or 2005. 3 or 4 lessons when I was living down in Cork. I had a notion I wanted to sing. I gave up though. But that was one of the songs. That one and I learned that one and Hallelujah. Because Sonny was One of the first songs I learned when I played the guitar, even when I was a young fella. So I'll try that one. I'll get the words for it there and I'll do it. How are you, Zach? How you getting on, pal? Zach, are you sleeping much these days? Because you're saying you weren't there. I'll have to try and get down to you. I'll have to try and get down and have an old jam with you there, but sure, don't fake and drive. And the cops, there'll be a few cops stopping me there, but I'll try and meet up with you soon. The biggest snowflakes are falling outside my window. I hope they didn't hurt themselves because they'd be giving out. What a scene. So, yes, that's class. A bit of snow there. I think a bit of snow is always nice. Maria Sober and stuff. Katie Jackson, Mermaid. So everybody, it's Katie Jackson's birthday, and she's over there, and she's on the front line there. She's working with the ambulance crew, I think, over there in the UK, in London, I think, and she is. It's her birthday, and I told her during the week last week. She was asking me where we stream, and I said, "Oh, tune in for your birthday. We'll dedicate the stream for you, and sing happy birthday." Sure. Didn't do it at all. Didn't mention her at all, but the stream was for her anyway yesterday, but we'll dedicate this one for her as well, and we'll sing happy birthday and do the Mermaid. I'll start off with the Mermaid for you, Katie, as well. How's Haiti coming along? I haven't even touched it yet. But I have the lyrics there, I think. I must double check if I have the words on it there. 100%. Bud, kettle on, doors open for you. Grand. I'll just figure out trying to get down there. All right. And Carly was looking for Grace, and I'll do that one for you. Get ready for the spring, summer. Snowing like crazy over there in the States anyway, over around Boston. You get lost underneath the snow. Okay, let's try the Mermaid here, so. Well, 'twas Friday morning when we set sail. We were not far from the land, when our captain he spied a mermaid so fair, with a comb and a glass in her hand. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, and we poor sailors are skipping at the top, when those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. Those landlubbers lie down below. Well, us both the captain of the sculling ship, and a fine old man was he. Said, now this pretty mermaid, she's told us of her doom, we'll sink to the bottom of the sea. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow. We poor sailors are skipping at the top, while those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. Those landlubbers lie down below. Well, now spoke the cabin boy of the sculling ship, and a fine-spoken man was he. Said, now I have my sweetheart in Brooklyn by the sea. Tonight she'll be weeping over me. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, and we poor sailors are skipping at the top, while those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. Those landlubbers lie down below. Well, now spoke the mate of the sculling ship, and a fine young man was he. Said, now I have my wife in Boston by the sea. Tonight a widow she will be. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, and we poor sailors are skipping at the top, while those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. Those landlubbers lie down below. Oh, spoke the cook of the sculling ship, and a crazy old butcher was he. Said, now I care much more for me pots and me pans than I do for the bottom of the sea. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, and we poor sailors are skipping at the top, while those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. Those landlubbers lie down below. Ship 3 times around spun she. Well, 3 times around it spun her gallant ship, and she sank to the bottom of the sea. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, and we poor sailors are skipping at the top, while those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. Those landlubbers lie down below. And the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, and we poor sailors are skipping at the top, while those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. Those landlubbers lie down below, and we poor sailors are skipping at the top, while those landlubbers lie down below, below, below. While those landlubbers lie down below. Thanks very much. That was for Katie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Katie. We met Katie first time, it could be 15 years ago now. No, it wouldn't be 15, it would be 10 years ago, I'd say. Around when myself and Pádraig from All Folked Up were playing together as All Folked Up in the Temple Bar, and that's where we first met Katie. And then she was an avid Nafina fan, and she worked as one of the fan pages and all that kind of stuff there, helping us grow our followers and get the music out there. So amazing person there, Katie. And I said she's over there working hard on the front lines over there in the UK, RUOK. I need to check something here for a second. Jesus. Let me take off this. Let me take off that for a second. Give me 2 seconds. Right, let's start laying in the requests. Oh, Jesus. Give me Lord Jesus. What's that? Tuners or no? Okay. I know Donegal Danny, Mr. Brian, I know Donegal Danny, but I don't know, I know the song, but I don't know how to sing it. I think Kelly was looking for that one before, I think. I forget what else I was going to do there. Okay, that's that one. And let me look at. So who's on Twitch here? Paddy Patrick's in on it there, and Maria and Patty Reese there is in there as well. How are you getting on? Nice one. Drinking Guinness and Prosecco. I am drinking Guinness and Prosecco night. When I finished the gig yesterday, I went downstairs and the woman was sitting there and she was finishing off the last glass of Prosecco. She drank the whole bottle by herself and she said she was having a blast and now she is dying today. So it's no Prosecco now tonight, so she's downstairs and she's depressed. So I drink a few more Guinness. I had too much myself last night, but I drank a pint of water before I went to bed, so I'm not too bad. Okay, Grace. I forgot Grace yesterday, so I'll do Grace there for you. Carly Ann was looking for this one here. We never did it yesterday. There's a few other songs we didn't do yesterday. I'll do Grace here, and then I'll dig out the words to Sunny. This one is. We're going to try it in this key because this is one up more than I would normally do it. I don't want to change guitars because I'm afraid something will break. Jesus, there was a plague stuck inside there the whole time. As we gather in the chapel here in old Kilmainham jail, I think about these past few weeks. Will they say we failed? From our school days we've been told that we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. You'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to ever understand the love I have for these brave men, my love for this dear land. But when Porrick called me to his side down in the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now as the dawn is breaking, my heart is breaking too. On this May morn, as I walk out, my thoughts will be of you. And I write some words upon the wall, so everyone will know I loved so much that I can see his blood upon the rose. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. No, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Thanks very much. There is a lovely song called Grace, and lots of stuff coming in there on the old Twitch, Rooney, and I can't see it. It's going too fast. Louis, where are you? But we should be reading this and then commenting on it. That's what you should be doing. Okay, good. Hello from Germany. Der Bootsam Foreign. How are you getting on? Guten Abend. Hello there, der Bootsam, Jesus. Der Bootsam Foreign. Anyway, how are you getting on? And as I said, Guten Abend. Hope you're having a good night. Welcome to the stream. My name is Ciaran. I'm going to be singing a few songs here for you. You can have a chat there as well. The people on here are crazy friendly. Jasmine with the giant Y, and is in here as well on YouTube as well. How are you, Kelly? How are you getting on? The ferryman, I'll do the ferryman for you, Christina. Absolutely. Zombie, Jack May Connolly. I'm actually learning Zombie. I did it before in a solo gig there. I said I'd give it a shot, and it was absolutely horrible. But I'll try a version of it for you. I came across the lyrics of it here the last time I was streaming, but I chickened out. I didn't do it, but I give it a shot anyway. No problem, Carly. You're very welcome. You made your weekend good stuff, and Carly sent me a lovely video of Ashton, her little fella, dancing and playing drums to one of her songs. How are you, Paul? How are you getting on? Nice Sunday session. You're okay? I only sang about 2 songs, I think. Just spent 30 minutes on the phone to my nan, trying to turn her torch off her phone. Jesus. I don't blame other people there trying to figure stuff out. Like, I can't figure out loads of stuff. So anything new is very, look at Twitch there now, trying to figure stuff out there. It's ridiculous. But young people know how to do everything, so you can't really blame the other people. Good stuff. Nice one. Okay, so I'm going to try here. I'll try and go with what I remember. I'll try Sonny Don't Go Away. Going to Pora Bailey's. Ooh, nice one. Oh, excuse me. Take the hat off and let the lock slow. Why are we getting so old? I just don't know. How we're getting so old. I could do some ocean waves right now about me. I could definitely do some ocean waves. Look at the head of me. Look at the head in that. Jesus. And I had the light shining on this side of the face, and like it was pretty bright, but the old greys were showing up. Can't have the old greys now showing up, can we? All right, I'm gonna try. I'll get Sonny here. Who's looking? I forget who's looking for this one here. Was it Brian? Was it? No. Sorry. I was looking for. I'll try to find you anyway. So Sonny, it's a Canadian song. This one. I saw Josh I heard Josh singing this one, Sonny's Dream. But I sang it myself. I did this was on my college. This is on my college album that I did in Ballyfermot about 10 years ago. Okay, I'll sing it and then we'll pour another one. Let me see what key it's in. Just too high anyway. Honey, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Daddy the sailor never came home. Nights are so long. Try this one. This isn't a version, but I'm gonna do this one because of that. It might be easier to do it for the first time in ages. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy's a sailor, never comes home. The nights are so long and silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and not all that strong. Sonny lives on a farm in a wide open space. Take off your shoes, son, stay out of the race. Lay down your head on a soft river bed. Sonny always remembers the words his mammy says. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy's a sailor, never came home. And nights are so long and silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. Sonny works on the land, though he's barely a man. There's not much to do, but he does what he can. He sits by his window in his room by the stairs, watching the waves gently wash upon the pier. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy's a sailor, never came home. And nights are so long and silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. Many years have passed on, Sonny's old and alone. His daddy the sailor, he never came home. And sometimes he wonders what his life might have been. But still from the grave his mammy still haunts his dream. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home. And nights are so long and silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. Oh Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home. Oh, nights are so long, silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. Sonny, don't go away. Thanks very much. That one's a song called Sonny, Don't Go Away. That one's from Canada, eh? As far as I know, it's a Canadian song. So that was for, I don't know who that was for. I forget. I know it was for. I'll find it there in a second. Baby Lord Jesus. Bang on the ear, Jesus. Did I do that last time? I did try it last time. Jesus, I'm drinking so much these days that I can't remember much. Okay, lots of stuff. Electric Puncher Train. Okay, I'll try that one for you as well, sure. It is a great wee song there, Mr. Ryan. Brian, you were looking for it, was it? I think. Yeah, I never did. Paul or Brian was looking for the Gambler as well. So, Paul, I'll do the one for you as well yesterday. We only barely got in one of your... Oh, yeah, you put it in there, the comments. All right. You know, I'll do the Gambler, and then I'll try the Ferryman. No, I'll do the Ferryman here. No, I'll do... yeah, well... Ferryman. Do the Ferryman and then the Gambler into it. What you get at? I don't know what's going on here. I forgot what was in there. Ferryman. Well, the little boats are gone from the rest of Liffey. The ferryman lay stranded on the quay. And the Dublin docks are dying, and the way of life is gone. And Molly, it was part of you and me. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. But I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. 'Twas the only job I knew. 'Twas hard but never lonely. The Liffey ferry made a man of me, and it's gone without a whisper and forgotten even now. And Molly, it's all over, can't you see? Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. But I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. In the yard, and I'll spend me days in talking. We'll hear them whisper, Charlie's on the dole, he's on the dole. And Molly, we're still living, and darling, we're still young. But that river never owned my heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, wish away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Singing, if you ever love me, Molly, love me now. On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with the Gambler. We were both too tired to speak, so we took the turns of staring out the window through the darkness. The boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I made a living out of reading people's faces, knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces, but a taste of your whiskey, I give you some advice. It's too high for me. So I handed him cigarette. He asked me for a light, and the night got deadly quiet. And his face lost all expression, said, you gotta play the game, boy. You gotta play it right. You gotta know when to hold him, when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Now every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser. The best that you could hope for to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back towards the window, crushed out his cigarette, he faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler he broke even. But in his final words, I found an ace that I could keep. You gotta know when to hold him, when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. You gotta know when to hold him, when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Nice one. I just got stuck in Pandasaurus's gaming hell loop. I was onto his stream there as well. I was looking at it there. I couldn't participate there, but I was preparing for this one here. But yeah, he was streaming there. He's well into the old Twitch stuff there. It looked cool there. It looked pretty cool. I don't know what was going on. It was in German and there was crazy shit going on, but I didn't know. But let's know what's going on. Sunny is a lovely song, one of my favourites of all. Woman's Heart album, that's right. My first young died musicians are good stuff. Fabulous journey ever since. Fair play, Paddy. And didn't win with those grades. Boston Rose. Should I fall behind? Wait for me. Yeah, that's a lovely song. I'll do those ones, Paddy. Maybe remind me again. What am I on here now? Jesus, it's hard catching up on it, isn't it? On the old chats. I'm looking through all the comments here and I'm reading over them. Oh yeah, Zombie as well. I'll tempt Zombie if you listen with forgiving ears. Because I had an idea for a version many years ago, and I never got around to doing it. There, that phone is a bit closer there now. Sam Hall, I'll do Sam Hall there for you as well. So let me see. Let me try the ones that I don't know. So let me get Zombie here for you and see what it's like. I'm definitely not going to do it in E minor because that's her key, and she's fantastic. She was fantastic for Dolores. So I'll do it in like. I need to do it a whole octave down. No, it's hers E minor. It's her. try that. I'll try a verse. Let's get a drum here. Simple one. All right. Okay. Someone seen them? You saw them? Who saw them in real life? Okay. I'll try this one. Remember, forgiving years. Silence, who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. What's in your head? Violence cause such silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head? Thanks very much. All right. Wasn't the most murdered one I've ever done. Let me see. I still have to do lakes, so I can still fake that one up. Let me see. It was on one bright. So that was Jack Make Conway. Good stuff, Jack. Thanks very much, pal. Incredible you were gifted that, but Jesus, no, far from it, pal. Just reading it off there and just hoping for the best. There's the tuning issues there with the guitar, but I hope you can forgive it there because. Because I like playing it. Simple as that. R.I.P. the Dolores. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it could be great. Yeah, I had an idea there of myself and Bowie lived together in the same apartment years ago about doing a version of it there. So hopefully maybe we can revisit it. Okay. Yeah, love watching you figure out songs. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes they can figure out. Sometimes they just elude me. Just depends on what many chords and stuff like that. I don't know Dreams, Maria. Absolutely no, I don't. No, that's absolutely great song. I don't know it. I know the song, but cool, good stuff. Let me have a look here at Twitch here now again. So I'm going to do Lakes to Pontchartrain. I mean, they didn't fool me with the grades. It is Pantosaurus's birthday, right? Yeah. Any song that you want to play for me that you know I like, please. Fair play to you. Thanks, Katie. Spiegelbild Band is in there. How are you getting on? And Woberschen. How are you, Woberschen? I think German. Guten Abend. How are you getting on? Well, there's a bit of German going on here now as well. Nice, lovely, very multilingual and very continental stream we have going on here. Do you know Riptide? Is that, Paddy, is that, obviously not in that key, but is that the one you're thinking about? And I'll do Lakes here on the way, and then I'll, you can't tell me that's the first time you've done that before. I've done it, I did it, as I told you, I did it at a solo gig. I did this song at a solo gig ages before, but I used to play with a girl a couple of years ago as well called Ciaran, a fiddle player and whistle player and a singer and guitarist, and she used to sing it as well. So I did it in a different key. So like I knew where the song went, but I never, as I said, I did it once at a solo and then I got frightened off it ever since. And that was even too high. Yeah, I'll try that Riptide for you, but I'll do Lakes to Pontchartrain here first anyway, and we'll see how we get on with this one. How about this? I wanna pour another Guinness. How do you feel about that? That's settled. All right, and then I'll do a 45-degree angle on the pour. I wouldn't make a barman because I'm too impatient. Don't want to horse it in there. I'd rather horse it in and just wait for it. lyrics here as well, because the Christy Moore version is a bit weird. Or that someone's version is weird. It was on one bright March morning I bid New Orleans adieu, and I took the road to Jacksontown, my fortune to renew. I cursed all foreign money, the credit could I gain, which filled my heart with a longing for the lakes of Pontchartrain. Well, I stepped on board a railway car beneath the morning sun, and I rode the rails till evening, till I lay me down again. All strangers, they're no friends to me, till the dark girl towards me came, and I fell in love with a Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. Now I said, my pretty Creole girl, me money here's no good, and if weren't for the alligators, I'd sleep out in the wood. You're welcome here, kind stranger. Our house is very plain, but we never turn out a stranger on the banks of Pontchartrain. Now she took me to her mammy's house. She treated me right well. The hair upon her shoulders in jet black ringlets fell. To try to paint her beauty, I'm sure 'twould be in vain. So handsome was my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. Now I asked her if she'd marry me. She said this could never be, for she had a lover and he was far at sea. She said that she would wait for him, and faithful she'd remain till he'd return to his Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. Now so fare thee well, my Creole girl, I'll never see you no more. I'll never forget the kindness in the cottage by the shore, and at each social gathering a flowing glass I'll drain, and I'll drink to the health of my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. And I'll drink to the health of my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. Thanks very much, the lakes of Pontchartrain. An old, I don't know, it's an American, I think it's an American song there. A great version there, Paul Brady, the definitive version. But we did it with Nafina as well. If you haven't heard of Nafina, it's one of the bands myself and Bowie play with as well. It's James O'Connor and Peter McMahon, and James sings that on the album. And I have to say, he does an absolute fantastic job of it, and I love the recording that Bill Shanley did of it there as well. So if you haven't heard it, pop it on there pop it on the Spotify, whatever you're on, and have a listen to it. The Lakes Pontchartrain, Nafina, and James does a fantastic job of it, and I love the version. I love that version of it. I have to say, as much nearly as the Paul Brady one. Okay, so So, okay, so what were the requests that came in? There was a few ones that came in there. Flip. Oh yeah, If I Should Fall Behind. That's a lovely song. I'll do that one for you. Bruce Springsteen's song. Just need to get the words for it here. Let me just follow up on a few chats here. I don't know what's going on here. What's going on? ASMR is triggered by the things like whispering voices. Oh yeah, paper. Who's talking about that? It's a strange place to go on YouTube if you fall into it. What's it called again? ASMR. It's like yeah. So, obviously I must have did something on the microphone that sounds like it. Yeah, it's a microphone turned up really loud and people are doing stuff on it. They're like, really weird. People might get off on it though, whatever. Okay, so I don't do Tom Petty. I could try a bit of Free Falling maybe. Well, I didn't know I wouldn't do a good job of that. Where was it here? So If I Should Fall Behind, I'll try this one here for you. And then I'll follow you to the dark as well. Let me see. If I should. You should. If I should fall. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay. Let me just check. Let me just turn that fucking thing down there. Where is it? Okay. We said we'd walk together, baby, come what may. That come the twilight, should we lose our way. If as we're walking, a hand should slip free, I'll wait for you, and should I fall behind, wait for me. We swore we'd travel, darling, side by side. We'd help each other stay in stride. But each lover's steps fall so differently. But I'll wait for you, and should I fall behind, wait for me. Now everyone dreams of love lasting and true, but you and I know what this world can do. So let's make our steps clear, that the others may see. Now wait for you, and should I fall behind, wait for me. Now there's a beautiful river in the valley ahead. There 'neath the oak's bough, soon we will be wed. should we lose each other in the shadow of the evening trees, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. Darling, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. Thanks very much. There's a Bruce Springsteen song called If I Should Fall Behind. We had to learn that one for a wedding we did last year. We were lucky enough to get a flipping gig in there when things opened up a little bit. And okay, nice one. Let me just try and catch up on a few things here. What did I miss there? Paul and the team dispensable lead. Haven't it learned yet, Katie? Oh, unfortunately, my heart tonight's in Ireland. I'll do that one Friday as well. If I ever leave this world alive, I remember there as well. So I'll do that. I'll do If I Ever Leave This World Alive and Sexy Mumbling. That's funny. We do a lot of mumbling. Hola. I want to disable. Oh, okay. I'll just do If I Ever Leave This World Alive, and then I'll look through. If I missed something there, and you pop it in the comments there again, and it'll save me like that long awkward silence of trying to look back up through it at all the comments again. I'm reading the comments here as they're coming down along, but I'm just missing it. Okay, I forgot what I was going to do there again. What's it doing? If I ever leave this world alive. Okay, and I'll see what I can squeeze in here to the last little. Moustache. If I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I'll come back down and sit beside your feet tonight. Wherever I am, you'll always be more than just a memory. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, if I ever leave this world alive, I'll take in all the sadness that I left behind. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, all the madness that you feel will soon subside. So in a word, don't shed a tear. I'll be here when it all gets weird. Well, if I ever leave this world alive. Just call my name just before you go insane. Well, if I ever leave this world, hey, I may never leave this world, but if I ever leave this world alive, she said, well, I'm okay, I'm alright, though you have gone from my life. You said that it would, now everything should be alright. Yeah, we should be alright. Yeah, we should be alright. I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, all the madness that you feel will soon subside. So in a word, don't shed a tear. I'll be here when it all gets weird. If I ever leave this world, if I never leave this world, but if I ever leave this world alive, well, if I ever leave this world alive. Thanks very much. That's a song called If I Ever Leave This World Alive. Jeez, we're doing more of sad songs today, aren't we? Yeah, something going on there. Hold on a second. I gotta fix this. Shizzle binks. Never ending all this shit. Never ending. Stuff, I mean. ABBA. Give me an ABBA song there. I wouldn't even know where to start. And you know what? Everyone knows the first few lines. And then they're like, what goes on then now as far as the chorus? And then there's always weird chord in there. Because they were fantastic songs. And they weren't too easy to cover and stuff, I don't think. Has it gone to the Murray Lanigan then? Captain Lanigan. Missed Pubs too as well. What did I miss there? So let me see. Gorgonzola voice. Mamma mia, Jesus. I know me, see? I don't know where to start. Start of it. I'll put Mamma Mia on the list. I like the song, but it's Super Troopers then with. might be okay as well. Dancing Queen. Let me have a look at the lyrics, see what they look like. There's more than 2 verses, and if each verse has more than 4 lines, forget about it. Master McGrath. Jeez, I haven't tried Master McGrath. Paul O'Brien. I don't think I know that one. Master McGrath. Sounds cool. I like the sound of it. I don't know. I don't know about this ABBA. I don't know about trying this ABBA song. And these would taking Zombie. I had done it with someone before. Let me see if I can. Oh, Take a Chance on Me is a deadly one. Take a chance. Take a chance. Take a chance. I think I get mixed up with the other one. I do. I love all this stuff coming in there as well. That's deadly. Okay. I don't have to. Yeah. No. Well, if I don't have to, then money. I know all those. I do know all these songs. I took out Dancing Queen here, and it just looks. It looks like I don't even know where to go with it. You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Oh, see that girl, watch that scene, begin the dancing queen. Friday night and the lights are low, looking out for the place to go. Something like that, but not that key. I'd have to probably do it up. Anybody could be that love. Yeah, something like that, up there. Anybody could be that love. Not that high, but somewhere like that. This is how I expected the stream to go on. Well, not me neither, to be honest. There, and ABBA medley. Now you're talking, Katie. Now you're talking. That'll give me the best of both worlds. I can, I'll put 3 or 4 of them into it, a verse or 2 here and there, and miss all the hard bits. That's a good way. That's a good old cop out. Yeah. All right. Okay. I'll do that. I'll put the ABBA on the thing there, on the old list, an ABBA medley. It'll always use it anyway. See you bright and early in the morning. Is there a stream, an early morning Twitch stream? Huh? I'll have to look at all these things. Voulez-vous, I don't know. Jesus, I've had some more hits in there. Right, I better do a song here. What was I supposed to do? Here we at home singing. I must check out that one. You can't learn 3 ABBA songs before you learn Lanigan's. To get Lanigan's down, he's right. I have to try and get Lanigan's down. Flip and a flop. See you, Carly-Ann. Mind yourself. Have a good one. Carly's off making homemade pizza. My Heart Tonight's in Ireland. Okay. Do My Heart Tonight's in Ireland, and then fire in any requests there. I know Paddy put in some stuff there as well, so I'll see. I'll see what else comes in there, and I'll see what I can squeeze into the last few minutes. Town of Scariff, the sun was shining in the sky when Willie Clancy played his pipes, and the tears welled in my eye. Many years have passed and gone since the time that they had there, but my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet County Clare. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Malbay, stare it long to be. Far away, but nothing can compare. But my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet County Clare. Sorry. Pick up. August in Kilrush, and the rain was a lashing down, and our hotel was a hay barn on the outskirts of town. We were all sick and feverish, and Dolan had the flu, but Johnny produced some whiskey, and the sun came smiling through. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Malbay, stare it long to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. But my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet County Clare. Those nights in 6 Mile Bridge, when the songs and music flowed, and sure when it came to closing time, the lights were turned down low. And the sergeant from Kilkishen, he would buy us all one more, and we never left the pub until the clock was striking 4. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Dalry, stare it long to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. But my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet County Clare. In a Steinman, Liscannor and Kilkee, but best of all was Milltown, when the music flowed so free. Willie Clancy and the County Clare, I'm forever in your debt, for the sights and sound of yesteryear, there's shining memories yet. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in a sweet Milltown Malbay, stare right along to be. So long ago and far away, and nothing can compare. But my heart tonight's in Ireland, in a sweet County Clare. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in a sweet mill town Malbay, stare right along to be. So long ago and far away, and nothing can compare. But my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet County Clare. In the days of Sweeney, in the sweet County Clare. Thanks very much. My heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet County Clare. If you nails Dancing Queen, I want Folkman dressed in drag dancing while he sings. I agree. Okay, that's done. We get Folkman to dance in drag. Paul, can you get him learning my songs too? Guys, you're a hard bunch to please. You're a hard old bunch. It's a free falling a song you would do too. Start to count down. I'll try and see if I can squeeze that one in there. It's kind of sucks without the banjo. But I can try that there if I can fit it in. What else was there? Free falling. Boo used to do free falling there. If I have the words handy, I can try it. I remember doing it before and I murdered it as well. Murdered that. Oh, Jesus. What are the words? She's a good girl. Free falling lyrics. She's a good girl, loves someone. Let's try this one here. And what else am I missing there as well? I'm being raided. Maybe I shouldn't do this one I've never done before. All right. I'll put up a disclaimer here that I don't do this one. I'm trying this one. Keep Bang on the Ear. I'll do Bang on the Ear for you, Paddy. That's the one. Another one there. I'll try Bang on the Ear for you after this. What's this one? Free falling. Okay, let's see how far I get with this one. No, that's not it. Let me try it. Oh yeah. She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus and America too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses and her boyfriend too. It's a long day living in Rosita. There's a freeway running through the yard. 'Cause I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. And I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart. And I'm free, I'm free falling. Vampires walking through the valley moved west down Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys are standing in the shadows, and all the good girls are at home with broken hearts. And I'm free, I'm free falling. Yeah, I'm free. sky. I'm gonna free fall out into nothing. I'm gonna leave this world behind, and I'm free. Yeah, I'm free falling. Yeah, I'm free. Yeah, I'm free falling. Free falling, now I'm 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 free. I'm free falling. I'm free falling. Thanks very much. A little bit of Pom Tetty, Free Falling. Good one. Good spin off a classic song. It was the only spin I know. Bees ring instead of star to come down if it's easier. I don't mind. I can do either. I do star to come down as a solo, so it's up to yourself. If I can squeeze both of them in. I don't even know what time it is. But I should probably start wrapping up pretty soon. Let me try banging the ear there for Paddy. As she said, I need practice. That's basically what you said, Paddy, isn't it? Lindsay. Okay. What's your favourite song to do live? Jeez, I don't know, Kev. I have lots of favourite ones live, you know. Jeez, I don't know. I'll have to think about that one. I don't know. You stumped me. Anyway, here's Bang of the Ear. What was he used this? Lindsay was my first love, she was in my class. I would have loved to take her out, but I was too shy to ask. The fullness of my feeling was never made so clear. But I'm sending her my love with a bang on the ear. Don't know what the line is there. Nora was my girl, one first in the group. I can still see her to this day, stirring chicken soup. Australia, working for an auctioneer. But I'm sending her my love with a bang on the ear. Deborah broke my heart, and I the willing fool. I fell for her one summer on the road to Liverpool. I thought it was forever, but it was over in a year. Oh dear. But I'm giving her all my love with a bang on the ear. No home I made with Bella became a house of pain. Jump around. We weathered it together, bound by ball and chain. But it started up in Fife and ended up in tears. Oh dear. But I send her all my love, but a bang on the ear. Krista was a rover, from Canada she hailed. Canada, eh? We crossed swords in San Francisco, we both lived to tell the tale. I don't know now where she is, oh but she's here. I give her all my love, but a bang on the ear. Sunny woman of the heart fire, harbour of my soul. I watch you like you sleeping and sense the dream unfold like gold. You to me are a treasure, you to me are dear. So I'll give you all my love with a bang on the ear. So I'll give you all my love with a bang on the ear. If you don't know what a bang on the ear is, it's the old expression for an old telephone call, old slang for a telephone call, a bang in the ear. It could be Cockney slang, I don't know. Some orders popping in there for some stuff. I could be inspiring some Finn's orders. Anyway, Lynn put in there. Thanks very much for the orders. I saw there's a few more coming in there as well. So guys, thanks very much. And if we didn't thank you enough yesterday, I'm going to thank you more again today for the support with the Finns and all that kind of stuff. All the tuning in and the shares and all that kind of stuff, and the comments and the listening, and then all the tips and all that kind of stuff then as well, and the orders from the merch. It's absolutely fantastic. It's kind of it's the reason why we're kind of still kind of doing the streams and all that kind of carry on, and it's driving us on, I have to say. Raise your hand if you know how to use an old rotary dial phone. Nobody brought up old phones. Yeah, they were the job, the absolute job. Hold on, Carly. Hands up who doesn't know how to use it. It might be a bit presumptuous of me here, but I have a feeling that most of us here know how to use. Well, hold on a second, maybe not. I'm probably digging myself in a hole here, but I'd say most of us here know how. There's a few there that probably don't know how to use the old rotary phones. In fairness, they would have been gone. In the year 2000, I think. Absolutely, like gone. We had ours for ages. So maybe it could have been gone 1995. How dare you? I very dare. I'll do. What else was I was going to do? Beeswing there for Brian. I was looking for this one here, so I'll do Beeswing, and then I'll see what else comes in for it. Bing's Wing. This is nice without the, or it's not. It's nicer with the two guitars, but we'll do it anyway. Oh Jesus, it's Christ. Is Pandasaurus in there? Or was it? He might be in there in a bit. There, I meant to sing him leaving Liverpool there yesterday, but I forgot. I might try to bring one back if I could find one. I was trying to find one there. We have a very old one in the shed back home, but I don't think it's usable. But they're going for big money now. Okay, here's Beeswing. Let's see what this is like with this guitar. I was 19 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. They were burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the doves. I took a job in a steamy way down on Caldham Street, and I fell in love with a laundry girl who was working next to me. She was a rare thing, as fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price and love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzagged around her face in a look of half surprise. Like a fox caught in the headlights, there was animal in her eyes. She said, young man, oh can't you see, I'm not the factory kind. If you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose me mind. She was a rare thing, as fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price and love, I'll stay. Wouldn't want me any other way. We bust around in market towns, we pick fruit down in Kent, and we could tinker pots and pans and knives wherever we went. And I said that we might settle down, we'd get a few acres dug, a fire burning in the heart, and babies on the rug. She said, oh man, you foolish man, that surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, but you'll not own me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price and love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. We were camping down in Gar one time, the work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't wait for the frost, I thought that maybe we should. We were drinking more in them days, and tempers reached a pitch, and like a fool I let her run with the rambling itch. And at last I heard she's sleeping out, she's back in the Derby beat, a white horse in her hip pocket, and a wolfhound at her feet. And they say she even married once to a man named Romany Brown, but even a gypsy caravan was too much settling down. And they say her flower is faded now, hard weather and hard booze, but maybe that's the price you pay for the chains that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, and I miss her more than ever words could say. I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in me arms once more today, and you wouldn't want me any other way. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love I'll stay, and you wouldn't want me any other way, and I wouldn't want her any other way. Thanks very much, guys. Bees wing there for you. Bees wing. Nice one. Would love a Key Fin Sessions. Well played, Key. Thanks very much, Brian. Nice one. Mighty stuff. It is an absolute beautiful song. That's Kevin. When that one goes right for me, it's one of my favourite doing live. When I'm like well warmed up and all that kind of stuff. You're asking me what's my favourite song to do live. So like in solo gigs and stuff like that, if I'm warmed up, I love doing that one. You know. I fucking love it. I also, when I buoy then as well, I love doing Starry County Down live. But then that's one of those things where, are you doing it because the reaction is good, or are you doing it because you like doing it? But I do like playing it as well. There's a Beatles one I learned there just before we lost our jobs. That one there. Love doing that one. I only did it for about a month or something like that. A bang in the ear is like a peck on the cheek. I have one in my basement. That was my dad's. Not plugged in though. Cool. Okay, so that's on Valerie. Jesus, James. Hi James, how are you getting on, pal? I don't think I'd be able to. It's you know, that's a hard one, Valerie, for a lad who doesn't sing like that. Sometimes I go out by myself. I get the words for you there in a second. I'm missing Prosecco night, but as I said, the woman drank all the Prosecco last night. But she's waiting for cozy time there now, so I have to go down there and spend a bit of quality time snuggling on the couch and all that stuff. The Guinness is nearly gone anyway, so Megan Pice, we've got some people here. Pandasaurus is on Twitch and it's his birthday, and we never sang him Leaving Liverpool there. Pandasaurus, do you have a request for a song? I was going to do Leaving Liverpool for you. I know you like Tell Me Ma as well, so let me know what song you want to do and I'll do. Lindsay was my first love. She was in my class. She moved through the fair. I'll burst out that one here for you, Katie, and then I'll have a look at Valerie, and then I'll finish up on one more. How's that? Is that okay? If we can come to an agreement on the last one, and then you know what? If I have time, I'm going to stream tomorrow again. I'm going to just leave the stuff set up here because I like messing around with some of the stuff. What am I looking for again? Let's move to the fair. Fair. Moved. Here we are. Okay. What was this? That's not it. Alright, that's okay. It's almost in the same key. My young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for the lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. And she went away from me, and she moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there. And then she went onward, just one star awake, like a swan in the evening moves over the lake. Well, last night she came to me, oh, my dead love came in. So softly she came in, that her feet made no din. And she did lay her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. But my young love said to me, oh, my mother, she won't mind, and my father won't slight you for the lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. Oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. As she moved through the fair, that one there for Katie Louise. I was looking for that one. Okay. Yeah, Come Together is the one, Maria. It's a really cool song there. Let me see if I can do a verse of it here. I've got to turn on that compressor. I got to go. I'm not in the right key for this, so I'm up too high. Juju eyeball, he won. Holy roller, he got hair down to his knees. I got to be a joker, he just do what you please. He wear no shoe shine, he got toe jam football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he say, I know you and you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. He got Walrus gumboot, he got one sideboard, he won spinal cracker, he got hair down below his knees. Hold you in his arms till you can feel his disease. Come together right now over me. There's a couple of verses of that one there that's too high for me there. It's up one more than I would normally do it there. But Come Together, I absolutely love that fucking song. Okay, guys, I have to finish up. But I'm going to see if I can pop on tomorrow at night again. A few things to do. I'm going to try to see if I can jump on around 7 or 8 o'clock there again tomorrow night. If I can, so let me know if you're interested in that, if you can make it, and if you know someone who's one of the Finn fans who might want to jump on it there, let me know, or let them know, actually, don't let me know, because if they're here then I know. Bit of distortion there, right there. Bit of distortion, alright. Leaving Liverpool, so Pandasaurus, I'm going to do that there. I finished off with this one here for Pandasaurus. He's helped me a lot there on the Twitch. And check out his streams if you're on Twitch. Give him an old follow there as well. And I'm not too sure who else there. Pandora is a good buy. Jeb Papaya, how are you? How are you getting on? And Megan Pice as well there. There's a couple of new people listening here on Twitch there. So thanks very much, guys, for joining in. And if you're liking it, give me an old follow there as well. And I'll do the same as well if you're streaming there as well. And this is the leaving of Liverpool. And guys, thanks very much. If I missed some of your requests there, I'm really sorry. If you can tune in tomorrow, let me know what they are, and I'll kick off on them there tomorrow. Green Eyes. I do know Green Eyes there. It was an ex of mine. An ex of mine, one of her favorite songs. It's a lovely song. It is in my head. I'll have a look at that one, and let's see what the story is with that one. Jack and. I don't mind doing different ones that we do in the Finns, because it's good to mix it up, you know, for sure. So that's why it's good to massage the musical brain, you know. and to work it, so it's not just the same stuff all the time. So always need more streams. Good stuff. Okay. I don't think I might have that green eyes by tomorrow, Jack. But I'll definitely have a look at it. Everyone needs a little key in their lives. A little key. I'm 4'7", so I am. Okay, so guys, this is for Pandasaurus. It's his birthday, and we're gonna sing happy birthday for him. And or not, we're gonna do Leaving Liverpool. We sang happy birthday for you last night, but we never got to the request for you. And the happy birthday song. Okay, all right. Well, we'll do happy birthday for you then as well. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pandasaurus. Leon is his name. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Pandasaurus there. I'll leave you off with this one, guys. This is Leaving Liverpool. My own true love, I'm going far, far away. Now I am bound for California, and I know I will return someday. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. On board a Yankee ship, Davy Crockett, it was her name, and the captain of her, his name was Burgess, and they said that she's a floating shame. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. The sun is in the harbour, love, and I wish I could remain, for I know it will be a long, long time before I'll see you again. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, darling, when I think of thee. Thank you very much, lads. I appreciate it there. Thanks for tuning in there for this lovely old Sunday. And hope things are going well where you are at the moment. And we might see you here tomorrow. And if not, we'll see you back here next Saturday. But let's aim for tomorrow anyway. And I'm sure you've got plenty to be doing anyway, even if there's no stream at all. And so guys, thank you very much, and happy birthday Pandrasaurus, and lots of people's birthdays as well. Katz and Brian's birthday as well. Katie Jackson's birthday it was as well. Did I miss anyone's birthday? I'm not too sure. Bowie's birthday as well was on Tuesday, I think. No problem, guys. Thanks Brian. Guys, and James as well there, thanks very much. And anything I didn't do there tonight, pop into the thing, the chat there, and I'll get around to it there tomorrow as well. And thanks so much for tuning in. Lovely comments. Lovely, absolutely beautiful comments coming in there. Thanks very much, guys. Sarah Icos' birthday, is it? Did we sing it? I'm getting so mixed up. Sarah Icos' birthday this week, isn't it? Is it Katie's birthday as well? Katie Louise, is your birthday as well this week? It is Katie Louise's birthday this week, coming up, as far as I know. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you tomorrow evening, tomorrow night around the same time there again. I can't give you time because I don't know what's going on, and let me see. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. And Kate Louise is the 16th. She was telling me it was earlier. Old snake. Okay, guys, have a good night. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.